Hello viewers, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will be taking you through the basic overview of using Google Earth Pro for beginners. In this tutorial, my emphasis will be on how to search for prominent places using their names, and also how to search for places using GPS coordinates. I will also be teaching you how to add a place mark to the places you search on Google Earth, as well as how to save the map to your computer. To learn how to generate GPS coordinates, as well as how to download and install Google Earth Pro on your computer, check out the links in the video description below. Alright, let's begin the process. First of all, I will be launching my Google Earth Pro. As you can see, this is the interface of the Google Earth Pro. These are the various toolbars. As you can see, with different functions. These are navigation tools. It can be used to navigate, turn the map around. This can also be used to turn the map to either your left or right, top or down. And these plus and minus signs are used to either increase or decrease the size of the map. As you can see, so those are the functions of these two buttons. Okay, with that being said, let's move on to the first item in this tutorial, which is how to search for prominent places using their names. So I'll be searching for a prominent place within my area. So I'll be searching for the Wa Airport. After typing in the name of the prominent place, just click on the search button, then you wait for the map to respond. Okay, as you can see, the map has just started responding by taking us right to the place we just searched. And here we go. This is where we just searched. You can zoom in or zoom out. Okay. So basically, this is how to search for a prominent place using its name. Okay. The next item on the tutorial is how to search for a place using GPS coordinates. So we'll go back to the search button, and in place of the name, we type in any Google GPS coordinates. For the purpose of this tutorial, I have generated some GPS coordinates, which I'll be entering into the search button. These coordinates are the longitudes and latitudes. Okay, after typing in the coordinates, you just have to hit the search button once more. Then you wait for the map to load and take us to the place as well. As you can see, it is moving. Okay, and it has taken us to the GPS coordinates we just entered. So basically, this is how to also search for a place using the GPS coordinates. Okay, so the next item is how to add a place mark to the places you search on Google Earth Pro. So to do this, you just need to right click on this sign, the yellow symbol here. When you right click on it, select properties. Okay, it opens a pop-up menu, and as you can see on the pop-up menu, that is the GPS coordinates here. So you just need to clear all this and give it a name of your choice. You can decide to put my home, and as you can see, it has replaced the GPS coordinates in the map. And as well, we can change this symbol, the yellow symbol, to anything we need. And to do this, you just have to come back to this pop-up menu. As you can see, this is the same symbol that is blinking here. Just click on it over here. Then you can use any of these options. So I'll be using this. As you can see, it has replaced the yellow symbol earlier. And you just click on OK. Then if everything is okay for you in this window, just click on OK down here. And as you can see, it has saved. Okay. So the next item is how to save this map to our computer. And to do this, you just need to go to the toolbar. These are several options, but we'll just be needing the save button, and which is the second but last item. As you can see, when you place the cursor on it, it says save image. So you just need to click on it. Okay. Then brings up this little pop-up menu. You can either add a name or title to this map, but I will not be adding that, so I'll just need to close this back. Then I'll go back to save image. As you can see, it is asking me where to save this image on my computer. I'll be saving to my desktop. Then you can give it a name, my home, or any other name you wish to save it. Then just hit on the save button, and the map has been saved. So I'll be taking you to my desktop to verify that the map has been saved and can be opened. So I'll be minimizing this window. As you can see, this is the map. Let's take a look at it. We just need to verify if the map has been saved. Okay, as you can see, this is the map we just saved, and you can use it for anything you wish to do. So viewers, this is how to perform some basic functions using Google Earth Pro. I'll be ending the video here, and if you enjoyed this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. See you in my next video. It's bye for now.